Good afternoon, and we are 5 minutes before the closing bell rang. Let's see how it's closed out today. We can see that it opened at 449.23, which is 40 cents below the close yesterday, right? Yesterday is closed at 449.63, right? 63, and now today is open at 449.23, so 40 cents below that. But let's see it's gonna be closed be above the close yesterday, or it's still below that. But the range that we identified for today is quite accurate right there. So basically it moved between which range right there, right? It break through that range, then it got put out, and then when it broke this range, it got put up. So that is the range we have for today. Let's see how it's glow. We can identify this as a turtle soup right here setup. You see, go down, and then this is where we put our turtle soup right here. Another setup right here, false breakout. So the low of this is 450. 448.53, 448.53, 448.53 right there. Beautiful, beautiful setup right there. Alright, let's see how it's closed today. It's gonna close at 449, above 449.63 or below that. Let's see. Entry long. We want to show it into the right. Hold on, it is $53. Hold on, it is, what is this one? 41, not 43. I mean, we saw the setup is everywhere. I mean, opportunity to make money everywhere if we reduce our mistake, right? That's the trick for it right now. We're working on our mental game. It have a lot to do with mental game, my friend. It have a lot to do with mental game. And yep. That's mental game. Yeah, let's see how it's closed down. How it's closed out, right? Wow, it put above 60, right? 450.63, put above that. 63 right there. 449.60, above 50. Oh yeah, 50. 50.09. The open yesterday is 50.09. You see, it's go above the open yesterday, right? 50.09 right there. Let's see. All right, the bell is the closing bell. It just rang, and we are closing the Thursday trading day. It is done. All right, let's see. Okay, that's easy said and done, right? It's done. So it's closed at 4:50.21. So basically it opened at 4:49.23 and it's closed at 4:50.21. It's almost $1 move right there from the open and close. It's 2 more cents if we $1 move. So you subtract 2 more cents, it will 98 cents. It's all $1 though. It's exactly 98 cents. All right, let's see what's going on right here. So let's do a review on. I mean, overall, right? We have a huge move. I mean, if we look at the the 1 hour time frame. Do we have a 1 hour time frame here? We don't have 1 hour, correct? Then let me pull out a 1 hour time frame, right? Where is our 1 hour time frame? All right, over here. We pull from. Let's remove all the indicator we have right here. So basically we have a giant move on Tuesday, right? This week, after the CPI positive, soft CPI below expectation. Then yesterday, Wednesday, and today it just consolidate. It barely moved at all, right? And we can see that right here. So let's see. So we can treat this level is a fall breakout for the downside. Then this level right here we can treat as a fall breakout for the upside. So basically, so far from the price action on Wednesday and Tuesday and Thursday, which is yesterday and today, it built this consolidation right there. So let's see how it go out the week tomorrow, Friday. Then we can have some kind of idea. But let's go back to the trade that we took today, and let's see what lesson we learned. All right, so when we start out today, we use this level at the fall breakout, right? And we enter when we see something right here. Okay, so right here, all right, we treat it as a fall breakout to the outside, and it's right, it fall breakout. But when it come up here and then come up here, we thought it's gonna be a real breakout, and that's our reason to take the trade right there. We take the real breakout trade, and we enter it right here. Did we? Let's show the trade. Yes, we enter exactly at this candle right there, and then we put the stop loss. It's just right here. So it's the first time ever we take a real breakout trade, and we're glad that we did because that will be a wonderful experience for us. That means we learn, and also that means that we are take the trade out, blue, right? It's not in our plan. Our plan is to check the fall breakout, but for some reason at that moment in the real time, like we mentioned earlier, we thought it's gonna be real breakout. The reason we thought real breakout because we thought, wow, it should be right here and continue to go down. It did not go down. It go up here, and this is where we get it wrong. This is where we get it. This move, this fake move right here, is where the market got it. Or in other words, it's this fake move that make us out of sync with the market right there. Right. The trick is that we have to be in sync with the markets. But this move, instead of stay faithful with our first idea, initial idea, which is short, right? We turn it to a long, and we got what? We got top. We got span from the market right there. So that's how we that's how the mistake we make. So there are two kind of mistake right here we make. The first is technically, right, that we didn't follow our rule. Our rule is that we're gonna check trade based on 4 breakout, but in this case we do the opposite. We check trade based on the idea that it's gonna break out. That is the technical analysis right there. In terms of technical. The second one is the mental game right here. So the reason why we take is also, I think it's more important than the other aspect right there, which is the psychology right here, and we need a lot of work on our psychology right there. Basically, we take this trade because we out of the fear of missing out. I mean, we still have that feeling so strong that we are take the trade without knowing that we break our rule right there. So somehow that feeling is still very strong in us. So we have to find a way to manage that emotion right there, the fear right there. And one of the technique that we do research on this, we have to feel that fear. We cannot avoid that. We cannot hide that feeling, because if we hide that feeling, the FOMO, right, we have to let it come out. I'm glad that it come out today, because it's a we just in this journey, this year, right? So we still have a lot of room to develop or to improve our mental right there, mental game, right? Mental capacity right there, right? We have to work on that, and we have to remove is kind of the fear from our mind, from our psychology, right? Maybe do we remove them? Because one of the techniques that we do research on, and the book we just finished reading deal with the trading psychology, is called I think by Van Hoff, right? Van Hoff. So basically, in that book, I think it's trading beyond the metric. It's a very good book. So how do we remove the fear of FOMO? We have to let it come out, and it's come out today. And for the last trade before that also come out. So we have to let our emotion come out. The idea that we need less, the fear, right? Let the fear come out. Or fear mixing out in this case, right? Because if we try to avoid, we try to suppress this, right? Then it gets worse. Because you know why? Because this is a negative, right? This is a negative emotion. This is a negative emotion. Fear is a negative emotion. Fear, greed is a very low low conscious or low awareness level. And we don't want to trade out of that level. We will lose. We will lose all the time. And that's where lots of trader is fail. Because it takes a lot of time to remove or at least manage them. Right, remove maybe is a little bit ambitious right there. That's yeah. I think remove is maybe not I think the better term is called release. We need to release them. Right, it will come back. And negative emotion is there. We always have the fear in it, right? That's part of our human, part of our survival mode, right? Is evolution right there. We always fear, right? To survive, and that emotion is always with us. So how do we manage them? We have to release them. The more we release them, the more easy to manage them. If we don't release them, right? If we suppress them, right? Then it will lead to what? It will be go into, here's the thing from our research. It will go to our unconscious level right there. It goes to our conscious mind right there, because our mind have two layer conscious level, right? Conscious, yeah, and then the other one is unconscious. I might misspell them, but you got an idea, right? Because it goes to our unconscious mind, or to the part of our our mind. Then it come out like today, right? It's come out today, and when it come out, we will act in a fear mixing our move. That's how our decision at that moment. So basically, we try to eternalize how we make decisions in real time right there. So yeah, if we don't feel that, right? Another term they say that we have to feel the fear. Feel the fear. We don't want to suppress, because suppress it also means that we are resistant, right? Resistant. We resist that. And they say that from our research, right? The thing that we try to resist, we persist, because the resist will lead us to the persist. Right? That means the fear is getting stronger. So the practical way for us is to release them, to feel it. The more we feel that, the more it have less control on us. Then we can come back and manage much easier. So anyway, we spent about 20 minutes to talk about psychology here, and it's right, because most of our trading, or from the research we know, is trading is 90% is on psychology. At first we thought it's a joke, right? I don't believe that. I mean, I personally, when I go in trading, I thought it's a joke. People just try to sell you the course or sell you the services when they say, oh, trading psychology. But from our research, we find out that's not accurate. From the book we read, Market Wizard, right, and all other books that we read and we research, is correct. And with our experience so far, this year we experiment, we saw it's all over. We saw that the fear in us really come out of nowhere from our unconscious level, that make us to make a decision that break our own rule. That's beautiful, right? That it come out. Okay, so go back here, right? We took that trade. That is, and we found out that that trade is our fear missing out. So that means we need to release our fear, which is next time if we miss the trade, let's miss the trade. We will feel the fear. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Because the better opportunity is down the line. The reason why we are a fear of missing out, because I think we come out from the survival mode right there. Right, survival mode, which is the idea that, you know, if you miss this opportunity, that's it, no more opportunities. It's from the so-called scarcity, right, mindset. Right, we have to somehow transform that mindset to the abundant, so we don't chase them. Abundant mindset. It's easy, right? That's reason why I take a practice to rewire, rewire ourselves. We have to reprogram ourselves. Right? It's so much easier, to say it than done. So that's, so much easier to say it than done it. And it takes time. Well, we agree, it takes time. It's a process, right? We're not gonna get it right away tomorrow, next week, or next month. It may take another year for us to rewire this, from the scarcity mindset to abundant mindset. That's the process right there. And we give us room to make errors. We need to embrace the mistake, the errors, the failure that we make, because that's opportunity. This is an opportunity for to improve, to grow. But if we don't embrace the mistake and the failure we make, we will not make it on the trading, business, because this is a completely animal than any other career that we are aware of, because it's a very unique avenue that really transform you in all level, personal and professional level right there. Okay, let's see. So here's our note so far, right? So we took that trade. Okay, so we took the trade right there, and we thought it's gonna be a real breakout, right? So we put in there, and we put our stop loss right behind here, several, and you know we aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is the level up here. I think 451.38, but that's never happened. So we took the lot. Right there, we lost 37 cents. All right, 37, I think 37, not 34. Okay, 34. So we learned that, you know, the location is too high, right? It's a fall breakout. It ain't not real breakout, and we have to do more research on what is the condition for real breakout. So we take the trade on based on fear missing out there. We need to working on our on the clearing the fear our system. Our system right here is meaning our mental right there. We have to do a mental rehearsal. So this is a mistake, and we need to eliminate the mistake. And we did not follow our rule, right? Our rule only trade total support breakout only. But here's another solution we come up with, right? Based on the game theory, the idea that we play to win. So why don't we put the sell and the buy order at the same time at this, you know, breakout level right there. So go back to the charts. Where's the chart? Why we have a hard time? Okay, so right here at it level, either right here, right, 459, I mean 450.09 or 450.18, we can put let's say we put okay, let's say we put at the level, right? So at this moment at 10:31, we put in we anticipate a breakout, right? Real breakout. Then we put in our order right there, and we put a stop loss right here, right? We anticipate up move. At the same time, we put a buy order. I mean, sorry, we already put buy order, right? And at the same time, we anticipate also. It could be both, right? At this key level, it could be both. Why don't we play in both sides scenario right there? It can be go up or can go down. In this case, we're gonna go up. Then we put in a buy order. At the same time, we put in a sell order. If we want to sell order, then our stop loss gonna be up here at this level, a little bit bigger than the buy order, about 45 cents. So yes, and that would be wonderful. We do that, then in this scenario, either way we will win. Can you believe that? That is a beautiful solution that we are coming up right there. So somehow we have to make the Thinkorswim platform to execute this kind of order for us. So basically you have to place both order spontaneously, or I mean at the same time right there. And we did call the support of Thinkorswim, but they don't have answer yet, so we will do more research on this on other, you know, platform like interactive brokers or TradeStation. I think they must have this option for the trader to do this kind of trade. And if we can do this kind of trade, I think we find a secret right here, the holy trail right here. Once we identify the breakout level, then we will win. Either way, we will make money. It's just simple exercise right here. We can see that we will win. Okay, let's say in this scenario, right, we put the order for both buy and sell. In this case, coming down, that means it closed our long trade and we lost 34 cents. However, our short position is going to be in place. And look at what we are aimed for this. I remember we in the initial target for the short position, we did aim for this level, and it did hit that level. Look at this, it hit level right away at this at 42, right? If we go in at 31, 42, only 11 minutes later we get our profit. Look at that right here. So we profit $1.21, and we lose what? We lost for the long position 34 cents. So 121 minus 34. So let me see, 7. Right. Let's do the calculation real quickly here. So we have $1.21 minus 34 cents. So it's about 87. So we still profit right there. Either way, we will profit. That's the brilliant solution we have right there. So that's the reason why we should not worry about any mistake we make, because a mistake is an opportunity for us to learn, to improve. The moment we shift from, afraid to make mistake into the mindset of embrace and welcome mistake, then we are shift into a solution improvement instead of the dwell on a mistake and stay with the fear, right? That's beautiful right there. So we will do the research on this. We will find whatever platform that allow us to do this kind of trade. We play both in here, sell and buy right there. So for the sell, for the buy, we put a stop loss right here. For the sell, we stop right there. And we win both. However, we will lose if the market move like this, right? At first it come down, it take our position, the long, and then it come out here, it take this this buy side really also. Then we will be in trouble. But that is a very low probability. You know why? Because we enter the trade very after 10:30. So that means that the market gonna make the move. For the first hour, they try to build up, liquidity. In this case, they build a sell side liquidity. That's the reason why it come down to take sell liquidity. So it's gonna make the move. It's gonna make the move from this area. It's not gonna stay there and make another, consolidate this area. So that means that we have a high probability that the market gonna make a move. We only lost when the market's not gonna make a big move from this area, either direction. So that's an idea right there. That's the beautiful idea right there. Man, that's amazing. We're so happy that we make a mistake today. It's now a very good mistake. It led to a very beautiful solution right here. We never lose in this trade. Perfect. Okay, so we will do research on. So far, I don't think on Thinkorswim you can do that both. They have a bracket order, right? We try that, right? We know that bracket order, which gives you the defined targets. Stop loss and target profits. But so far we don't see any way allow it to play two trades at the same time. because it will cancel each other, because one sell, one order, one sell and one buy, so it cancel each other right there. So somehow they have to allow it to do that. So let's do research on that. If any of you have any suggestion, to drop it in the comment. We will really appreciate that, because it's a journey for all of us. We learn together, we fail together, we make mistake together, and we're gonna success together. Successfully together. All right, before we wrap up, I want to cover one more thing right here. It's just the opportunity is everywhere. We just be patient, and we need to trade out of the abundant mindset. That is always easy said than done right there. It takes time for it to transform ourselves right there. But at this level, you see right there, you just put a perfect right here, a perfect entry right here, and then you have what? You have a heel run right there. You see, that's the level. Anyway, thank you for your time, and talk to you later. Have a wonderful evening. Bye for now.